As it turns out, Vicki was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and it has metastasized. Prayers can help. They do help. They did help, and so we could definitely use that.
All right, here we go.
Hey guys, it's been a minute since we talked. It is Sunday morning, and we're going to do a kind of a roundup of Black Friday, what's going on here with the family, how our business is, and all of that. Just a couple things that we want to share with you guys that we think you guys that have been following us for a while would kind of like to know. First off, Black Friday sale. We're finally caught up. It took
over a week.
Yeah, I'd say a week and a half.
Yeah.
It
took a while.
Yeah, so we're used to getting an order in, shipping it that same day, and out the next day. But the Black Friday rush this year was unlike any we've ever seen, and that is because of you guys. You guys just support us so much, not just our premium members and executive members, but everybody jumped on board. It was the volume was going out here. You guys may have seen that little video where the back of the Vicki's little SUV was packed. That was maybe 1/10 of the not even that, probably 1/20th.
Yeah.
That would have been filled 20 times probably. Anyway, it was phenomenal. A big thank you to you guys above and beyond. The volume was amazing, and you guys were patient with us.
That was
huge.
We really appreciate you guys' patience, and we're going to get into why here in a minute, but you guys were great, and we really appreciate that because we needed it.
Yeah, we did need it for sure. So the other part of this is just before Black Friday, I took Vicki to Phoenix to do a medical thing. As it turns out, Vicki was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and it has metastasized. So we're dealing with that. So the Black Friday thing was basically 2.5 of us. Ryan and Amy did the bulk of everything. I was trying to fill in where I could when I wasn't caretaking with Vicki. So, the favor that we're asking is prayers. We really would like your prayers. When Vicki had breast cancer 2 years ago, you guys were a huge part of her getting past this. And this one is much more aggressive. There's a lot more stuff going on as we're dealing with that. She had a stroke. So that kind of added to the mix. But to let you know, she's recovering. She's recovering from the stroke. She's as good as she can be right now. She's pretty much bedridden, but she's up and around. Her speech is coming back because she lost all of her speech at one point, but that's coming back. The paralysis on her right side, that is pretty much back. She's getting her strength back, but she's on muscle relaxers, so she's really dopey and she's having some pain. Not dopey, maybe that's not the right term. Anyway, but anyway, we're dealing with that, but we wanted to let you guys know because many of you, and the feeling is reciprocal, we think of you guys like family, and many of you think of us like family, and if family has got things going on, it was time. Several of you know just because of close contact, but we wanted to send it out to everybody and let everybody know kind of what's going on. We won't get into all the details, but I can tell you that the Black Friday sale, it was chaotic to another level that I've never seen. Yeah. With trying to get everything done and dealing with having to deal with Vic and everything going on. But again, you guys were patient, and now we're caught up, and we've got our process pretty much streamlined. So we're back to shipping within 1 to 2 days right now.
We just want to thank you guys for everything, and we are going to ask something. A lot of times, people will call the shop and ask how mom's doing or whatever. If you have questions about sign carving and or you want to make an order, call the shop, absolutely. But we're just going to kind of ask that you don't call just to talk about mom.
Yeah, if you want to send thoughts and prayers or whatever, email me. That's great. I'll pass them on to Vic and all of that. So feel free to email me, and I'll get back to you if we get, if I get inundated with that. I'll get to them as I can. We're moving forward. I have complete confidence we're going to beat this thing with Vicki. But prayers can help. They do help. They did help. And so we could definitely use that. We're now that we're kind of caught up with Black Friday, we're gonna get back into making more content and doing more stuff. So again, we need your guys' patience. We had been filming a video every Sunday, and I think that will continue. Mm-hmm. We'll try and keep that going. As far as the lives on Thursdays, I'd like to say that we'll be jumping right back into there. That I'm not sure of. We got to kind of figure things out and put everything in context and figure that out. So I'd like to, because that was a major part of our growth.
Yeah. And it's fun. We enjoy doing it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And something else that came to mind, as far as like the new templates and stencils, that was always Mom's deal. Dad and I have to learn how to do that. So
yeah, that's right.
We're going to need your guys' patience, especially the members, when it comes to like January and February's templates and stencils. We have to learn a new trade because right now Mom's out of it. So just if you could be patient with us on that.
Yeah.
We're trying to navigate this whole thing. So just, we will get it. It's just going to take some time.
Yeah. So just if you can give us a little patience and a little grace there, that would be good. If you guys need the codes or anything that you normally would get from Vic for the discount codes, premiums, and executives, we'll still be doing that, obviously, and hopefully sending out the emails on that. But if you need those, anything you need, email me directly, and I'll get right on it. We'll make sure you got what you need. Okay.
So I guess in short, guys, we appreciate everything. We appreciate the business, all the support, and if you guys need something, don't feel like if you place an order, it's going to be a burden on us, because it's not. That's what we're doing. We're getting orders out. We're working. We're doing everything. Everything is normal. Just we would appreciate a little bit of patience and definitely a lot of prayer.
Yeah. So we're navigating, again, being down, a major part of the business at the moment. So, but we'll get it done, and we'll whatever it is that you need, we'll make sure it gets taken care of. So, just keep sending the emails, and obviously the business is what keeps us going.
Yeah.
What keeps our bills paid. So we appreciate that. I guess that's it.
Yeah, I think so.
I guess that's it. Thank you guys again so much. I don't have any reason to believe that we won't be putting out a video next Sunday, maybe a live on Thursday. We'll see how that goes. But I want to get back into making some sawdust when I can. And so we'll get after it. As always, questions, comments, just email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com or
Ryan@makeawoodsign.com.
And we'll get on as soon as we possibly can. Thanks again, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.